In this video we're going to demonstrate how you can write client-side JavaScript code to total the data in a column in a list control. So you can see here we have a list control that is displaying some static data, and we have a quantity column that's got some data over here, and then in the list footer we're displaying the grand total of the column. So let's go now and see how we did this with the client-side calculation. So first of all, we'll go to our list definition here. We can see it's a static data, and there's the quantity column as one of the columns in the static data. Then you can see that in the list we've turned on the list footer, and we've specified some footer text with a span with an ID of message. So we're going to be writing the value, the total, into this span. So now we'll go to the list events, and we'll just click on list events here, and we can see that the two events that we've used are the on before list draw. And what we've done in the on before list draw is we've set a variable called underbar total. So this is just a variable that we just made up, and we've put it inside the list object itself. So in this particular case here, when this event is firing, this context refers to the list object itself. So we've initialized that variable with just the value 0. Then in the on item draw event, and this event fires as each row in the list is drawn, what we're going to do is take the value in the data.quantity column. So you can see here in the description we're told that the data for the current row is passed inside the data object. So data.quantity is the value in the quantity column for the current row that is being drawn. So we need to convert that into a number so we can do arithmetic on that. So we use the JavaScript number function, and then we just take the value that's in that variable and we just add the total to it, and then we get a pointer to the message element, and we update the inner HTML with the value this dot total. So as each row in the list gets drawn, this accumulator variable gets incremented, and we write the value into the placeholder in the list footer. So the actual code to compute the total, you can see, is extremely simple. And there we have it. There's the total, and this is adding up all of the rows in the list as the list is being rendered. So this technique is going to work fine for lists that display all of the data, but in the case where a list is paginated, if you want to just simply show the total of the current rows that are being displayed, you can use this technique. But if you want to show the grand total of all of the rows in the current query, then you'll need to use a server-side event. Thanks very much for watching.